Okay, so now we're going to have a look at AI generation. You'll see there's some simple boxes that need to be completed. We just put our title in, target audience, make it simple, how to win sales. We can define what our audience is, so we'll make it intermediate. We're going to make it conversational style, and we're just going to have 2 lessons. So let's just go ahead and click generate. You can also see in here if you wanted to add more details, you can do, but we're just going to generate our outline. And we now have our course title, proposed course title. We have the details, the description and the tags that it's proposing. Everything in here is editable. We also have the outlines for both lessons. Again, we can edit here. You've got 2 options. You can skip the preview and build, or you can preview the slides. So just click preview. And now we have our previews ready. So we can take a look at these. These are the slides that it's proposing to build. We have the details that it will put into them. We also have the ability here to refine the instructions. So there's some suggestions on how to do that here. If, for example, we want to make this software sales focused, and we want to talk about maybe telephone and email selling, and maybe we wanted to refine some of the testing aspects, and we can do all of that. You can go through each of the lessons if you want to, or you can just let it build. So let's now just build the full course. Perfect. So here we have our course, Sales Essentials, Strategies for Winning. We have the course details, we have the tags, and anything we want to change we can do here, including the front cover. We've got our branding. If we want to change the style of this particular course, we can do, and then we have our 2 lessons. So as before, for each of the courses, each of the lessons, you're going to have all the tagging, front cover descriptions, everything's editable in here. You can just click into one of these lessons, and what we'll see now is it's all populated. As always, you can make changes directly in here, change the color, the style, the size if you want to. You can delete slides if you want to, but you'll find all of the information has now been conveyed into a ready-made course for you, including the testing components and things like games as well. So super simple. If you want to make any changes, you can add more slides. If you want to delete slides, you can do. Any aspect you want to change, you can do. And then it's ready to go.